If you've ever tapped a link on Google search and suddenly got the message unable to open link, don't panic. This is a super common issue. And the good news is it's usually really easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple steps that solve the problem for most people. Let's start with the most overlooked cause. Chrome might actually be disabled on your device. To check, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Chrome. If you see an enable button, tap it. That means Chrome was turned off in the background and just needed to be reactivated. If you see open or update, then Chrome is already enabled. While you're still on that page, make sure Chrome is up to date. If there's an update button, go ahead and install it. Running an outdated version of Chrome can cause link opening glitches, so updating often solves the problem instantly. If links are still refusing to open, try resetting your app preferences. This fixes hidden settings that might have been changed accidentally. Open your phone settings, go to apps or apps and notifications, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select reset app preferences. Confirm it when asked. This won't delete any data. It just resets things like default apps and any apps that were disabled. Once you've done that, go back to Google search and tap a link again. In most cases, everything should open smoothly now, either in Chrome or whatever browser you've set as your default. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.